Hello, this is AP Admitted. This is the Hailey experience.
Hi. My name's Hailey. See this worm right here? I'm gonna cough it up.
He was so scared. We got him up and he was going like he likes now. And I'm like, okay, that's good.
Okay. First I have to, I'm doing this much because I don't want to die on camera. See? My bad.
Settled for a second.
So it's all swallow, ready? Okay, it's all swallow. So this is my piece.
And then he slowly put
See
his
it?
foot down.
Okay, back up please for a second while I have my room. Okay, now please believe me, it's all the way down my throat, and you will watch it come up from my esophagus. I gotta rub it down to make it kind of slimy so it can slide down easily.
Yeah, and my girlfriend Denise, I can call her. She said it really nice.
Okay, so it's down. Can't see it. No. Down. Okay. Yep. Ready? I kind of came out. Okay, wait. Don't turn it off yet. I'm gonna do one more. I thought I was gonna hit the camera. I'm gonna go really close. Okay. Wait. Back a little bit so I can have my room. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bigger piece, green. Okay.
I thought, okay, we'll just
Why you grab, baby?
I like to grab. Okay. Wet little slimy. Okay, so it's down. Ready?
Yeah.
I'll do it again. Okay. Same piece.
Get it really close to the camera.
You're not even
No.
Say that.
Goodbye. That's my talent.
How do you stop this?
Press the button.